How to trade spot on Huobi. Welcome to Huobi, the world's leading platform for crypto asset trading. In 4 quick steps, you will be ready to start your spot trading journey today. Log into your account on the Huobi website and click Trade on the Trade tab. Select Spot. 1. How to make transfers. On the asset page, click Transfer in the upper right corner. Select the transfer direction from fiat to spot. Enter the transfer amount and click Transfer. 2. Search for trading pairs. Click the inverted triangle on the left of the page to switch between trading pairs. Search for the trading pair in the search bar or click a trading pair to start trading. 3. Order types. What is a limit order? A limit order is an order placed in the order box with a specific limit price. It will only be executed if the market price reaches your limit price or better. Therefore, you may use limit orders to buy at a low price or sell at a higher price than the current market price. What is a market order? A market order allows users to buy or sell at the best market price as quickly as possible. What is a TPSL order? TPSL orders are generally used to close positions. Users need to set the trigger price, buy or sell price, and order amount in advance. When the market price reaches the trigger price, the order will automatically be placed based on the preset buy or sell price and order amount. What is a trigger order? Trigger order. Users need to set a trigger price, buy or sell price, and order amount in advance. When the market's last price reaches the trigger price, the system will place the order based on the preset buy or sell price and order amount. 4. How to place buy limit orders and sell market orders. Place buy limit orders. Enter the price you wish to buy. For example, BTC at 18,000 USDT in price. Then, enter the amount of BTC you want to buy in amount. If not, you can drag the bar above Total to set the percentage of a spot balance to place the order. For example, you have 100 USDT and you want to use 50% of your available balance to buy BTC. You can drag the bar to the 50% mark and the system will automatically calculate the BTC amount you can buy in the limit order. Click Buy BTC to place the limit order. It will be filled once the market price reaches your limit price or better. Place sell market orders. Assume you have 0.001 BTC and want to place a BTC or USDT sell market order. After you set your sell order at 100%, the system will execute the order at the current market price based on your BTC amount. However, there is no guarantee on how much USDT you will receive. The trading price is determined by the market price and amount at the time of placing the order. 5. Manage your orders. Open orders. You can view the details of your unfinished orders in Open Orders. Open orders are categorized by limit, TPSL, and trigger order. To cancel an unfinished buy order, click Channel in Open Orders. Order history. You can view the details of your completed orders in Order history. Finished orders are categorized by limit, TPSL, and trigger order. And that's all. You can start your spot trading journey with Huobi today.